Actually, when I was in IIT, I did not aim actually for Indian Administrative Service. At that point of time, I was thinking of going abroad and doing some kind of MBA course after the completion of IIT Kanpur UG course. But after I came out from IIT, graduated from IIT in 2001, I joined a multinational company in Delhi. There I felt that something is amiss, something is missing. So I need to contribute more to the society. So at that point of time, I thought of going for civil services, and I had many senior colleagues from IIT Kanpur whom I had contacted and asked their opinion. So they were of the view that you can join civil services, it's still a very good career opportunity. So you can think of if you have certain bent of mind. So I discussed with them. Then I also felt that this civil services, especially Indian Administrative Service, provides a large uh, amount of career diversity and job opportunity, and also at the same time giving an opportunity to serve the society. So I thought of appearing for civil services after I graduated from IIT Kanpur. Thereafter, I appeared in the examination and joined this service. See, every day is a new challenge for district magistrate. You see new situations every day, especially in public domain. So every day is a good learning experience and appears to be very challenging. And with experience, you learn how to handle these situations. The situations are very different every time. For example, during floods, it was a very different situation in terms of response time and mitigation to the flood affected people. So at that point of time, it was unexpected that Patna would be flooded by so much of water, and that was too sudden. So we actually prepare for floods in rural areas, but not a prolonged flood in urban areas. At that point in time when there was flood in a large part of Patna, so people of that area were totally stuck up for their basic amenities. Initially, they were very having a lot of patience, but as the time passed, then they become very impatient. We had to run boat services in many residential areas, and also we have to monitor that old people get medical services, their medicines. So it was a very challenging time in Patna at that point of time. But with the help of government, we could plan everything very meticulously. So every day there was some kind of monitoring. Then at the government level, there was a committee which used to monitor every day about the distribution being made. When we have control room in which we had a phone number, we used to get complaints from different part of the cities. Then we used to respond to those complaints next day. Then we saw this COVID-19, Patna being the capital, a large number of migrants started coming through trains and other modes of transport to Patna. And we had made special camp in Danapur station and then Patna station. We had waiting buses 24 hours. We used to send those migrant laborers coming to those railway station directly to their districts. Then we had to coordinate with the railway authorities that from which areas those laborers are coming and which areas they want to go in Bihar. So we had district-wise control room also in at the railway station. Then we had to take care that all the people who are coming are scanned by thermal scanner, and they get medical facility as soon as they get down for the train. So we had a very coordinated system of responding to the crisis. And at one point of time, we were handling 50,000 migrant laborers coming to one particular station, and then We used to dispatch to different part of the state. Still, civil services offer very good career opportunities, especially due to the mode of contribution is definitely changing, but still civil services career has large to offer, especially in Indian administrative service, where at a very young age you get to handle big crisis and big issues, and holding a post like district magistrate at this young age is very exciting, also very challenging also, and offer very good learning experience. So I think civil services is still a very good option for anybody coming from engineering side, and I still see that many students are actually opting for civil services. So I very fondly remember that at that point of time, cricket was top leisure activity in IIT Kanpur, because Sachin Tendulkar was the favorite all-time cricketer for most of us. And even during mid-semester and end semester, if there used to be a match, then we actually enjoyed watching those matches on TV. We all have very fond memories of I think that was maths 101, so and physics 101 also, because when we enter into IITs we think that we are very smart in mathematics and very smart in physics, so we are topper of that subject. So when we started the course, it started on a very different plane. So it was not exact like what used to be in for the pre-IIT days for the JEE preparation. So it was very different experience. I had very good memory of our BTech project on VLSI. That was, I think, digital voice echo canceller. So I fondly remember everything. So that's very enjoyable part of whole life, I think. Wherever we go, wherever we go, and whatever profession we enter, we should keep our the flag of IIT Kanpur very high, and all we could achieve in our career is all due to IIT Kanpur. Whatever we could learn formally or informally during my IIT days, we generally discuss things ki how we perform, how we are able to perform in such deep crisis also, and deep pressure, under deep pressure also. So then I think IIT teaches in a very informal way, that in a very short period of time you have to deliver, then you have to complete your task in a very professional way. So, and learning from the peer group, then IIT Kanpur is a very democratic system, where system is very transparent. Be very thankful to the professors of IIT Kanpur, that they have taught us so well about everything, that we could actually do something meaningful in our lives.